Now, g'day guys, and welcome back to my channel. Now, I'm going to do a food recipe. I think I'm a bit worn out on the shorts, so I'm going to do a chickpea and curry, chickpea potato and curry. This is a vegetarian dish. Now, I'll go through the ingredients as I'm cooking, and I'll show you how to do it. It's quite easy to do. I've got to cater for the vegetarians as well. It's always, I don't use a lot of red meat, I usually use chicken. Let's get into it. Okay guys, I've got 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I've got a bay leaf which I'll split in half. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the spices. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of ground cumin there. You can use cumin seeds in this if you wanted to. That goes with the recipe. That goes in. Now I've got half a teaspoon of ground cardamom there. You can use whole cardamom and just crush them up if you want. Now I've got half a teaspoon of turmeric there, that goes in there as well. Now I've got half a teaspoon here, sorry about the camera angle there, of ground coriander, that goes in as well. Now I've got half a teaspoon here of ground chili. You can use less if you wanted to. Now I've got 3/4 of a teaspoon of garam masala. Now that's a must for sure. You can put it at the end as well. Okay, fry the spices off for a minute or two. Don't overdo it because you'll burn them. So I've got ginger and garlic paste here, a heap teaspoon of it, and that's actually going in there. Yeah, that's another must. Now I've got 2 medium potatoes going in there. Now I'm going to fry those off for a little bit, and then what I'll do is I'll add the chickpeas after that. Now I've added a bit of water to the potatoes there just to cook them off. And once we've done that, we'll add the rest of the ingredients there. Okay guys, you can see I've added the chickpeas now. Now I'm going to cook these off for a little bit. Now if you've got hard chickpeas, make sure you soak them for 6 to 8 hours before you cook them. Boil them up and then add them. Okay guys, now I've added my own sauce here. This is a sauce that I make. Just crushed tomato, salt, pepper, garlic, a bit of spices, a bit of herbs. I'll cook that down for a little bit and we'll serve it up. And there you have it, my friends, a potato and chickpea curry. I've got Love Channel in the background while I'm doing my recipe. And take a look at that guys, absolutely delicious. Give it a try at home. You've got all the ingredients there. Any questions, let me know, and I'll see you later.